Today I'm going to show you how to save hours on new CAD designs using something that we call design accelerators. Let's pretend that we have a piece of equipment that's partially finished. We just need to add a few things, some threaded holes, a device holder, and a limit switch. To do that, we're going to start off by using design accelerator number 1, which is a set of hole profiles that we've created in a design library. Each of these match the manufacturer's specifications for that particular threaded insert size, and the hole feature is created specifically for each size of different threaded inserts. So all you have to do is drop it in. You don't have to go to McMaster and look up what that hole profile should look like, what the diameter should be, what the depth should be. It's all created for you in the design library feature. Just drag and drop, and then of course the accompanying threaded inserts are there to pull in as well. The next thing we're going to do is a device holder. This will save you quite a bit of time. 4 to 8 hours is my estimate. It starts out as basically a template where all you have to do is put the device in that you want to use, as you can see me doing here. There are several features already included in this template, this device holder design accelerator. For example, different mounting features. You can use these quarter turn fasteners that we like so much. There are also pre-made holes to mount the device holder with screws if you prefer, and several standoffs that accept toggle clamps that are used to hold the device in the holder. Now, all you have to do to finish off this holder is put your device in it, choose what mounting style you want, and then move the standoffs around so that the toggle clamps are positioned where they should be to hold your device in place. Were you to design this from scratch, it might take you 4 to 8 hours depending on your skill level as a designer. What I did here was about 20 minutes or so, so a pretty huge time saving using the design accelerator device holder. Now we have our threaded inserts in place. We have our device holder installed in the piece of equipment, the top level assembly, and the last thing we need to do is put some limit switches in there to finish off objective number 3. So we go and copy that zip file, the design accelerator for the limit switch. We put it into our working directory and extract it and start implementing it into our assembly here. You can see that I'm removing a few of the features here that are not necessary. Our design accelerators generally include more features than any one user might need. So all you need to do is remove the items you don't need and then make a few adjustments to key dimensions, length, width, height. In this case, the mounting hole locations. And I spent maybe 5 or 10 minutes updating this to accommodate my particular application. If you were to design this yourself from scratch, it might take 1 to 2 hours to go out and find the limit switch and create the CAD model, create the assembly, all of that. All told, if you were to create all of these things from scratch, it might take you about a day to do that. Using the design accelerators, I was able to do this in about 30 minutes. So a pretty huge time savings that illustrates the power of design accelerators. We're offering these 3 for free. teampipeline.us/wave. You can download all 3 of them for free right now. Go ahead and check them out. Let us know what you think. teampipeline.us/wave. Again, you can download them all for free right now.